everyone, and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how I remove my makeup and also a small skincare routine that I do after I take off my makeup every night. Remember, skincare is super important. Doesn't matter if you use makeup or not, you always have to do skincare. So stay tuned for the next couple clips so you guys can see the transition of how I do that. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below any other suggestions you guys would like for me to do. I would love to hear from you, so stay tuned. Let's get started. And there you go, you guys, super fast and easy makeup remover tutorial plus a little bit of skincare. Remember that skincare is the key, it's the key. So make sure that you guys are washing your face morning and night. You can do a 5-minute, 10-minute, 15 minutes. You can implement anything you would like in your skincare, but never pass doing skincare daily. So thank you everybody for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and thank you so much for hopping on this video with me. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget that the products that I wear you can grab from cosmeticsbybayat.com. See you guys at the next one. Bye.